Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to attach large files here in Yahoo Mail. So you've opened the Compose tab and you've written your email, then you'll want to attach a large file. You're going to need Google Drive for this, so you're gonna open a new tab and then you're going to Google Drive, and then over here just click on New, then click on File Upload, and then you wanna go ahead and upload your attachment. And after it's done uploading, you're gonna right click on the file, and then you're gonna click on share, then click on share again. Then over here at general access, you want to change that into anyone with the link. Then you wanna go ahead and copy the link. Now you're going back to Yahoo Mail. Then over here at the bottom, you will see this attach link option, so just click on it, and then you can go ahead and put a display text, like for example, I'm just going to write media, then you're going to paste the link of the Google Drive, then just click on save, and there you go. Thanks for watching.